Hi Leo, welcome to your monthly reading for the month of March 2021. Please may I request you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon for me. Also, if you enjoy free readings, you might want to check out my Instagram and Facebook handles. The links to both these places are provided down below in the description box. And I'm going to be looking at your immediate past, your present, and the most immediate future. For Leo, please. For Leo, for the month of March. Leo. Alright. So, just give me one moment, Leo. Leo, I get that there have been some disappointments or walking away from a relationship in the past, but now you're able to gather your energy better. You're now more in control of yourself. And I also see some form of new love or new connection, new support coming into your life in the month of March with the Ace of Cups over there. I also see there's some kind of divine help or divine knowledge coming into your life. It could be through your own efforts, it could be through reading, it could be through another person, but I feel like there is going to be some kind of divine intervention or divine help coming to you in the month of March. With the Six of Pentacles, I definitely feel like there is something you have been praying for and that could be given to you, or you could see yourself moving towards slowly and steadily in the direction of fulfillment. You also get the card of Ten of Cups along with the Knight of Wands, and I feel like Leo, this could be you walking towards a better emotional and happy times in your life in the month of March. Also, with the Queen of Pentacles and the Page of Cups with the Two of Swords showing up here, I feel like emotionally and even financially, you're a little better than where you have felt you've been for some time now. And though Page of Cups is not a very mature energy, yet it is telling me that you're well on your way to healing and you're a little more sorted than when I had read for you for the last time. And I also see the Two of Swords here. This talks to me about you wanting to somewhere hold this time, or you, I also feel like Leo, you're not able to look ahead of yourself or look where times are leading you or what's about to come. That's not so much of a problem though, because you're kind of enjoying your present. I see that. Also, there is some kind of good news pending around you. Yeah, so like I said, Leo, you're not waiting to know what's coming ahead in your time or ahead to you. There is this sense of complacency that you do want to stay in the present moment, enjoy the happiness that it has brought to you or is bringing to you. And what is the card of guilt here for Spirit? Please tell me. I feel like Leo, there is something that you have wanted to work towards, but may not have worked towards it completely, or may have not been able to work at it the way you wanted to. This could be either due to some delays happening in your life, or this could be due to you not wanting to take care of a situation right at the moment, probably delaying it or pushing it for a little ahead in time. But I do see that that's playing on your mind. I also see with the card of isolation, you could be taking some time off to think about a lot of things in your life. Of course, on the surface everything looks good, you're having a happy family time, you're having good connections and relationships, yet there is something not very fulfilled inside of you, and you're going to take that time to find out or delve deep within about what it is that you need to know. Yeah, with the card of laziness, guilt, isolation, and clinging to the past from the oracle, I feel like there was something or a situation or a person or something on your mind in the past that you are still clinging to, and you're not able to move on, or you don't want to. You're giving it far too much thought than you should, is what the spirit is telling you, Leo. And I also feel some of you could be dealing with Aries. I don't know, Aries is popping up in my head very strongly. This could even be with regards to a relationship that happened for you or with you some time ago, and you could be thinking about that. It may even mean that somebody could be coming back to you from the past, or they could be trying to reach out to you. What's the quick message from the oracle for Leo, please? What's the message for Leo? You get existence. The spirit is asking you to relax, breathe, and just be. Meditate, go inside, and be in your happy place, Leo. You have been thinking too much, and going by what I had seen in your cards in your previous readings, this is looking really a lot better emotionally and relationship wise. The month of March is showing up much better for you. But again, there is some kind of discontentment and unpleasantness in your heart that you're carrying from the past. But Spirit is asking you to let it go, meditate, focus on your breathing, and allow it to pass, because what you have here is far more beautiful, Leo, than what you are sticking to in the past and thinking about a lot. Also, this is a very beautiful card, but the lady, this it's a lady or a man, they have a box on top of their head, and it's covered with a lot of thoughts, probably scattered and haphazard thoughts. And the spirit wants you to know that also this is carrying number 5. Numerologically, number 5 is the number of Mercury, and we're also in the year 2021, which adds to number 5. So spirit is saying, get out of your head, allow the past to remain in the past, move forward, and see what is to come ahead of you. Because with the card of 2 of Swords, even in the tarot, it was saying that you may not want to move forward, you may not be looking to move forward, you could be staying a lot in the past. But spirit wants you to go forward, breathe, relax, enjoy your present moment, and feel the happiness that's all around you right now, Leo. So on that note, I'm going to leave you with this reading. Please make sure you hit the like button for me. And again, if you'd like to catch me live, do join me on Instagram and Facebook. The links to both these places are provided down below in the description box. Bye bye.